This is Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for January 30th, 2025. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was up 1.07 points or 0.26% to 411.1. Total trade volume was down with 21,983 shares changing hands at a total value of 110.9 million real or approximately $27,650. On the main board, 7 stocks were up. Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ led the market up 0.93% or 20 real to 2,160 real per share, followed by Pestec Cambodia, which was up 0.43% or 10 real to 2,350 real per share. Other stocks up were the Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority, Grand Twins International, Phnom Penh Autonomous Port, Sihanoukville Autonomous Port, and CAM GSM. The remaining 2 stocks on the main board, Akleda Bank and MJQ Education, remained flat. Over on the growth board, both stocks were also flat. Akleda Bank once again recorded the highest trade volume of the day with 9,946 shares changing hands at a total value of 72.3 million real or over $18,000, roughly 45% of Thursday's trade volume. Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ recorded the second highest trade volume of the day with 2,835 shares changing hands at a total value of 6 million real or around $1,500, approximately 13% of the total trade volume on January 30th. In other market news, the Ministry of Economy and Finance has announced the issuance of the 30th government bond with an aggregate amount of 24,000 units. Each unit has a denomination with a nominal value or face value of 1 million real and an issue price ranging from 995,607 real to 998,044 real per unit. Based on this, the total bond value is 24 billion real or approximately $6 million. The bond has a maturity of 1 year from 2025 to 2026 with a coupon rate of 2.8% per annum. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to USD was stable at 4,020 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was slightly up to 107.95. Looking at global commodities, oil prices were little changed on Thursday as markets braced for threatened tariffs by US President Donald Trump on Mexico and Canada, the 2 largest suppliers of crude oil to the United States, and awaited a meeting of OPEC Plus producers. Brent crude futures were down 7 cents or 0.09% at $76.51 a barrel. U.S. crude futures were little changed at 2 cents up or 0.03% to $72.64. U.S. crude futures settled at their lowest price this year on Wednesday. Gold edged higher on a softer dollar while investors focused on U.S. President Donald Trump's tariff plans and a key inflation report for further monetary policy cues. Spot gold was up 0.4% to $2,770.45 per ounce. U.S. gold futures climbed 0.6% to $2,785.10. Investors are now awaiting the December U.S. Personal Consumption Expenditures Price Index report due on Friday to assess the inflation trajectory. The U.S. Federal Reserve held interest rates steady on Wednesday, and Chair Jerome Powell said there would be no rush to cut them again until inflation and jobs data made it appropriate to do so. Bullion is considered a hedge against inflation, but higher interest rates dampen the non-yielding bullion's appeal. U.S. stock futures rose Wednesday night as Wall Street digested recent quarterly results from a slew of mega-cap tech companies. As of the time of the Cambodian market's closing, S&P 500 futures added 0.35%, while Nasdaq 100 futures advanced 0.62%. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average also climbed 84 points or 0.19%. This was Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for January 30th.